जय श्रीमन नारायण। पवन सुत हनुमान की, बजरंग बली की। After elaborate, extended Vedic rituals over a period of days, with the support and help of the entire community of devotees and the blessings of the great Acharya, Abhay Hanuman is finally consecrated and established. Pujya Swamiji has today offered him to not only North America, but the entire world. He has aptly named this deity as Statue of Union. This generation is the most disconnected in the world. Even though we are connected by digital media, externally we are hyper connected. But the disunion remains from inside. The union of the minds, the intellect is not there. In our Vedic culture, the word union is actually yoga. Our entire culture is established around the concept of union or yoga. Sri Krishna used this word 150 times in the Bhagavad Gita in the 700 verses. What is that yoga? The union is what Hanumanji is conveying to all of us. How will we establish that union amongst communities, amongst nations, in the entire world? It will require the light of knowledge, the light of love. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavi Hastini Shuni Chaiva Shvapakecha Pandita Samadarshana. Sri Krishna says, Arjun, with the light of true knowledge, a person of wisdom sees with equal vision a Brahman, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog eater. That inner union requires yoga. And what is yoga? Although we have thousands of yoga studios in America, the word yoga actually is defined as Sanyogo Yoga Ityukto Jivatma Paramatmano. The union of the individual consciousness with the supreme consciousness is yoga as per the Garud Purana. That requires the connecting of the hearts. If we actually want union, we need to take inspiration from Hanuman. And why so? When Bhagavan Ram came back to Ayodhya, he was coronated as the king in the Raghukul. That was the first Deepavali. Subsequent to that was the Holi. And Mother Sita asked Ram, I wish to give some gifts to my brothers-in-law and sisters-in-law, do I have your permission? Ram said, definitely. Sita asked each of them, what boon do you want? She asked Bharat, what else would Bharat ask for except Akhand Prem at the feet of Sri Ram? She asked Lakshman. He said, may I never be separated from my Prabhu Ram. She asked Shatrughna, and he said, I want the association of the lotus feet of Bharat. Mother Sita then asked Mandvi, the wife of Bharat, and she said, so many turbulent things happened. We lost our father-in-law. You have Hanuman in your heart. You know that you also have Sitaram in your heart. And you know that in the heart of Sitaram is your respected Guru, Adarniya Chinnajir Swamiji Maharaj. And in his heart are Sitaram and Hanuman. So it has been a blessing upon the entire community. It has been a privilege for all the Houstonians to have witnessed this auspicious event. And personally, I feel that the 36 Devatas, they all are showering their blessings from above through the Pushpa Vrishti, the rain of flowers. All those who made this possible, this huge Herculean event, they all deserve to pat themselves on the back for a task well accomplished. Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki, Siyavar Ramachandra ki, Jagat Guru Ramanujacharya ji ki, Adarniya Shri Chinnajir Swamiji Maharaj ki. My respectful greetings to Shri Rameshwar Rao ji, who has come all the way. You know, Hanumanji, of course, is there. But for people like him and me, the squirrel is a bigger inspiration. Because we can never emulate Hanuman, but we can all try to emulate the squirrel. Thank you.